Welcome back to Educa channel, and this is Yanis. Alright, Apple makes it easy to reset iPhone. On your iPhone, simply go to Settings tab, tap General, tap Reset, tap Erase all content and settings, and then enter your passcode to trigger the factory reset process. But now, you forgot the lock screen passcode to unlock your iPhone, right? Here we go. This is a tutorial on how to reset disable iPhone without iTunes. And this iPhone screen desktop on iPhone is disabled, or iPhone is disabled, connect to iTunes without using iTunes or Finder. You know the fact that any iPhone will become disabled after you've entered the wrong passcode too many times. The tutorial is also workable if your iPhone is disabled and won't connect to iTunes. There's a chance that iTunes won't recognize your disabled iPhone. Using iPhone Unlocker is the first method. It's an excellent iTunes alternative and allows you to factory reset iPhone without using iTunes and unlock the iPhone lock passcode. You can get it from AppGeek. Go to appgeek.com, locate it from Products panel, and you will be directed to its review page. Browse through the product's details and then click the free trial button to download and install it on your PC or Mac. Now let's dive in how to use iPhone Unlocker to reset a disabled iPhone. Launch it and on its screen choose Y passcode, then click the Start button. As promoted, use a USB cable to connect your locked or disabled iPhone to the computer. If the software doesn't recognize your device, you need to follow the on-screen instruction to boot it into recovery mode. When it's detected, select the device information corresponding to your iPhone, and then hit the Start button. The software is now downloading the iOS firmware that you will use to restore the locked iPhone to factory settings and get into the device without passcode. Once done, read the warning of a reset and enter 0000 to confirm. Finally, hit the Start button to begin the disable iPhone reset process without iTunes. Your device screen flashes and the iPhone is disabled message removes. It may take around 10 minutes to reset iPhone and remove the passcode. When the process reaches to 100%, your disabled iPhone should reboot. Now set the device, and you can see the lock screen passcode removed, and your iPhone has been reset. So these are all possibilities to use iPhone Unlocker to restore disabled iPhone to factory settings without iTunes. You can also log into your iCloud account to factory reset your disabled iPhone without iTunes or Finder. It's a remote factory reset procedure for fixing the iPhone that is disabled. But make sure you have enabled Find My iPhone feature on the disabled iPhone before you forgot the passcode. Go to iCloud.com on any web browser. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Then click Find iPhone. When you are there, click All Devices at the top, choose your disabled iPhone that you want to reset, and click Erase iPhone. When promoted, click Erase to confirm. Your iPhone begins resetting itself and removing the passcode you forgot. If you have another iOS device that is registered with your same Apple ID on the disabled iPhone, you can perform the reset without iTunes and unlock the iPhone on Find My app. Open Find My on the home screen, tap Devices at the bottom. Tap on the iPhone you need to restore to factory settings. Swipe up a bit and tap on Erase this device. Tap Continue. Tap Next. You don't need to enter phone number and message. Enter your Apple ID password and then tap Erase to get your iPhone factory reset. The process will take more or less 3 minutes to complete. Wait until it's factory reset as new. When the hello screen appears, set up your iPhone. Okay, that's all for how to reset disabled iPhone without iTunes. No matter your disabled iPhone couldn't connect to iTunes, the methods in this video will get it unlocked. Hopefully, you can unlock disabled iPhone and use it again. I will be grateful if you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Leave any questions in the comment section below.